Today we are going to explore the top 5 destinations to visit in Ireland. Our first destination is Galway. Galway is considered Ireland's bohemian hub because of the colored cafes and pubs. The many students there bring a vibrant energy to the city that is infectious. Galway is also home to a new wave of coffee culture that is bringing a buzz to Scandinavian-style coffee work press. Local roasters such as Badger and Dodo getting in on the wave as well. Be sure to stay at the Glenlow Abbey Hotel, an 18th century manor house with elegant gardens, falconry, and is home to the Pullman restaurant. Our next destination is the Cliffs of Moher. The cliffs are located in the western part of Ireland and stretch 15 kilometers along the coast. The cliffs have a sheer drop into the Atlantic Ocean. The waves crashing below with the seabirds chirping above make for a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. If you arrive on a clear day and get right up to the edge of the cliff, you can see the Aran Islands and hear the crash of the waves below. The cliffs are one of Ireland's most famous landmarks. After a long day of sightseeing, you need to stop by McGann's, which is a local pub that has earned its reputation for traditional Irish music, including fiddlers and harpists. Our next destination is Cork. Cork is the third largest city in Ireland and reminds me of Venice with its unique waterways and architecture. Cork has many unique buildings such as Cork County Hall, Church Tower of Shandon, Skiddy's Almshouse, and Elizabeth Fort. Take a peek in the Cork City Jail that is a prison turned into museum with quirky 19th century artifacts, or you can explore the Black Rock Castle Observatory, which is a 16th century castle turned into a planetarium. You cannot go to Cork without visiting a pub, of course, and Cork has a unique twist on their breweries by having one in a 13th century monastery turned Franciscan well brewery. Our next destination is Kilkenny. Kilkenny is best known for Kilkenny Castle, a 12th century fortress that has been fully restored and is now open to the public. If you are into Irish designs, the Kilkenny Design Center, located in the old castle stables, offers hand-knit scarves from Irish wool, locally crafted pottery, and lavender honey. You can also explore the Dumore Cave, a limestone cavern known for its calcite formations and was the location of a Viking massacre in 928 AD. To wash it all down, visit Bridie's Bar that specializes in Irish craft beers but also has Guinness for the purists. Our last destination is Dublin. I am sure everyone guessed this, but Dublin is number 1. Dublin is one of the hippest cities in all of Europe. I suggest taking a tour of the Guinness Storehouse as your first adventure. Rush over to Market Bar that offers communal tables in its cavernous hall, but be warned, tables fill up fast. Dublin also has many landmarks and monuments that date back hundreds of years, the most famous being the Dublin Castle that was built in 1204 after the Norman invasion of England in 1169. Not to be outdone, however, the Trinity College Dublin is a close second, as it houses the famous Book of Kells, an illustrated manuscript created by Irish monks around 800 AD. Thanks for taking the time and watching the whole video. You know the drill. Please subscribe and smash that like button. Hit the notification bell so you do not miss any new videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description to help plan your dream vacation stress-free. Until next time, keep exploring, even if it's just your backyard.